स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः संस्कृतं स्वागतम्। अद्य वयं षष्ठकक्षायाः पञ्चमं पाठं वृक्षाः इति पाठं पठामः। एषा कवितारूपेण वर्तते। एवं कविता अस्ति। वने वने निवसन्तो वृक्षाः, वने वने निवसन्तो वृक्षाः, वनं रचयन्ति वृक्षाः, वनं वनं रचयन्ति वृक्षाः, शाखा दोलासीनाः विहगाः, तैः किमपि कूजन्ति वृक्षाः, तैः किमपि कूजन्ति वृक्षाः, पिबन्ति पवनं जलं सन्ततं, पिबन्ति पवनं जलं सन्ततं, साधुजना इव सर्वे वृक्षाः, साधुजना इव सर्वे वृक्षाः, स्पृशन्ति पादैः, स्पृशन्ति पादैः पातालं च, स्पृशन्ति पादैः पातालं च, नभः शिरस्सु वहन्ति वृक्षाः, नभः शिरस्सु वहन्ति वृक्षाः, पयोदर्पणे, पयोदर्पणे स्वप्रतिबिम्बं, पयोदर्पणे स्वप्रतिबिम्बं कौतुकेन पश्यन्ति वृक्षाः, कौतुकेन पश्यन्ति वृक्षाः, प्रसार्य स्वच्छाया संस्तरणं, प्रसार्य स्वच्छाया संस्तरणं कुर्वन्ति सत्कारं वृक्षाः, कुर्वन्ति सत्कारं वृक्षाः। डॉक्टर हर्षदेव माधवेन रचिता वर्तते इयं कविता। इदानीं कवितायाः अर्थं जानीमः। वने वने निवसन्तो वृक्षाः, वृक्षाः वने वने निवसन्तः। ट्रीज लिव इन द फॉरेस्ट, जंगल में पेड़ रहते हैं। वने वने हर एक जंगल में पेड़ रहते हैं। एवरी फॉरेस्ट देर आर ट्रीज, ट्रीज आर देर इन द फॉरेस्ट। वनम वनम रचयन्ति वृक्षाः। हु मेक द फॉरेस्ट? इट इज ट्रीज, it is the trees which make the forest. Trees live in the forest, but it is the trees which make the forest, is it not? Whereas it is so typically told that students study in the school, students study in the school. It is the students who make the school, is it not? It is all depends upon the students. If the students of that school are studying well, then people say that school is excellent, is it? So it is the school which makes the student, it is the students which makes the school, like that. It is the trees which live in the forest, it is the tree which live in the forest. These are the trees which make the forest. How beautiful, no? Like this, even the country, we, the people. Country means not the soil. Country means the people. If the people are energetic, creative, then country will progress. I hope the future of India will be very bright because you have to learn how to be progressive. Next, Shakha Dola आसीनाः विहगाः। शाखा, शाखा means branch. दोला, दोला, दोला कुत्र अस्ति? उपवने अस्ति। दोला swing, झूला। आसीनाः, see, we the humans can make the swings in our gardens, can keep the swings in the home, is it? But birds are getting the natural swing. उनको प्रकृति सहज झूला मिल रहा है। वो क्या है? शाखा। So that is the branch of the tree itself is a swing for the birds. They are Asinaha, they are sitting on the swing of the branch. Vihagaha, please note down this, very important. Vihagaha means birds. Vihagaha means birds. Pakshi, khagaha, we say. Taihi means with the branches. Kimapi, something. Kujanti, they are singing. Understood? Taihi kimapi kujanti vrikshaha. The birds are coming and sitting on the branch. For the birds, branches are the swings. So, trees are speaking with the birds which are coming and sitting on their branch. ये पेड़ जो पंछी आते हैं, जो अपने डालियों पे बैठ जाते हैं, उनके साथ ये वृक्ष बातें करते हैं. ये पेड़ पंछियों के साथ बात करते हैं. पिबन्ति पवनम जलम संततम. What do these trees eat? You and me can eat samosas, gobi manchurians, pani puri, roti, chapati, rice, sambar, idli, dosa. Is it? List is endless. But what these trees eat? They drink. Pibanti, they drink. Pavanam and jalam. They consume only the air and water. Santatam, always. They always eat only the water and air, nothing else. Sadhu jana iva sarve vrikshaha. Sadhu jana, saints, ऋषि मुनि लोग जो हिमालय के पहाड़ में तपस्या करते हैं, वो क्या करते हैं? सिर्फ जल का सेवन करते हैं और वायु का सेवन करते हैं. पवनः वायु, जलम नीरम. So, like the great saints, these trees also eat or drink only water and air. Sadhu jana iva sarve vriksha. So, these trees are like a sadhu sant. So, nowadays, finding a sadhu is very difficult, is it? But what are the visible sadhus? These trees are the visible sadhus. They will not harm anybody. Sprushanti padaihi. With their legs, padaihi, with their legs, sprushanti, they touch. Sprushati means touch. With their legs, they touch patalam, the underground. They touch the underground with their legs. You have seen the tree? The roots are going down. Nabha, Nabha, Nama Akasha, Gaganam, sky. Nabha means sky. Shirasu, on the head. On the head, Vahanti, they bear. They take the sky on their head and they touch the underground with their legs. Is it? The branches will go so high. So, as if they are bearing the sky. Is it? And again, these trees, with their branches, they go to the underground. So, today is the Indian Air Force Day. What is the motto of Indian Air Force? That is Nabhasparsham Deeptam. Nabhasparsham Deeptam. Touch the sky with glory. Payodarpane. What are these trees are doing in the forest? In the forest, trees are there. In between, rivers will be flowing. When the river is flowing, imagination. See the imagination of the poet. When rivers are going, Payodarpane, we have seen. So in the previous, that one, what is that? Jalam. So the paryaya pada, samanarthaka pada for jalam is payaha. Payaha means water. Darpane, darpanam means mirror. So what is we have at home? We have mirrors. In Sainik school, every house, every barrack we have the mirror. Am I looking smart? The board is also looking. Everybody wants to look very smart. But these trees, how do they see themselves? Do they have mirrors? Yes, they have the natural mirror. That is Payodarpane. That is the river water which is flowing. That is the natural mirror for them. Swapratibhimbam. Swapratibhimbam means image. Their image of the trees. Kautukena, very important. Very curiously pashyanti vrikshaha. Trees see their image in the flowing water with very curiosity. What a beautiful imagination. Prasarya. See, whenever the guest comes to our home, what do we say? Please come, take your seat, please be seated on sofa. Is it? If you are well off, you can show him sofa, or you can make him to sit on the chair. Is it? But even if you go to a poor fellow's house, what he will do? At least he will spread the mat and he will tell, please sit. They will make you to sit on the mat. These trees also very famous for their hospitality. They treat the guests very nicely. Is it? The way you treat the guest tells about your culture. Is it not? So trees are very much cultured. Prasarya. Prasarya means they spread. What? Swachhaya. They have their own shade. They will spread the shade. Samstharanam. It is samstharanam means mat. They will spread the mat of the shade. Kurvanti satkaram ruksha. Satkaraha. Adar. अपना छाया बिछा के सत्कार करते हैं, आदर करते हैं, अतिथियों का आदर करते हैं. These trees welcome the guests by spreading their shade. Like that, these trees are so great. We have to learn many things from the trees. Once again, we will read the complete poem. Vane vane nivasanto vrikshaha वनम वनम रचयन्ति वृक्षाः शाखादोलासीना विहगाः तैः किमपि कूजन्ति वृक्षाः पिबन्ति पवनं जलं सन्ततं साधुजना इव सर्वे वृक्षाः स्पृशन्ति पादैः पातालं च नभःशिरस्सु वहन्ति वृक्षाः पयोदर्पणे स्वप्रतिबिम्बं कौतुकेन पश्यन्ति वृक्षाः प्रसार्य स्वच्छाया संस्तरणं कुर्वन्ति सत्कारं वृक्षाः. I hope you understood the poem very well. Please understand and note down the difficult words. In between I told you the meanings of the words. Please note down. In the next class we will discuss about the exercises of this lesson. So these are the lessons very important for your midterm exam. So half yearly exam will be starting by next month 2nd. Okay. Bhavatu shubhadinam bhavatu anudinam गृहे एव तिष्ठन्तु स्वस्थाः जीवन्तु. एकवारं गायामः. वने वने निवसन्तो वृक्षा वनं वनं रचयन्ति वृक्षा. वने वने निवसन्तो वृक्षा वनं वनं रचयन्ति वृक्षा. शाकादोलासीना विहगा तैः किमपि कूजन्ति वृक्षा. पिबन्ति पवनं जलं सन्ततं साधुजना इव सर्वे वृक्षा. स्पृशन्ति पादैः पातालं च नभःशिरस्सु वहन्ति वृक्षा. पयोदर्पणे स्वप्रतिबिम्बं कौतुकेन पश्यन्ति वृक्षा. प्रसार्य स्वच्छाया संस्तरणं कुर्वन्ति सत्कारं वृक्षाः. भवतु शुभदिनं, भवतु अनुदिनं. धन्यवादः.